Today's shop tip is about taking the edge of your card scraper and making sure that it's perfectly flat and perfectly 90 degrees from the face. What we're looking at today is making sure that our card scraper is going to be nice and flat and straight on this edge here. A couple of different ways to do that. And a common one is putting it in the vise at the end of the bench and running a file over it. Difficult part about that is keeping that file nice and flat so you get the edge of your card scraper 90 degrees from the plate of it. So what I'll do instead is I've basically came up with this, and it's just my regular sharpening medium. I took a piece of maple, I ran it over to the bandsaw, run a kerf in there that just happens to fit right in there with that card scraper. All I do is hold it in place, run it back and forth, and this block keeps my cards from going side to side, so I make sure I've got a perfect 90 degrees from my plate to my edge. Run it back and forth over there a number of times. You get that nice and true. The easiest way there is to do it. I found this to be very, very successful. So that's one good way of doing it. And if you can see from that, nice and shiny that edge is perfectly flat and ready to go. I would take my burnisher, roll that over, and I got a good sharp card scraper. Another option that I have found is an old fixture like this that I picked up. It's basically the same thing as my plate and my block. It's just a factory-made version of it. It's got a file in here. It's got a nice face here that's 90 degrees from the file. Lock this in there, hold it up tight against that fence, run it back and forth, and it'll give me exactly the same thing. It'll give me that nice filed edge on there that's going to get me a perfectly true surface to put my burr onto. This one also happens to come with an angle on here, so if I want to run it against that pin, it'll put my burr on there as well. Real nice sharp burr on that. So getting your card scraper edge flat and perfectly 90 degrees from your face is one of the first important steps in sharpening your card scraper. Comment on that if you will. If you got any questions, leave them down below.